Sawa.
Kenya. Under 20, eh?
Sawa.
Kurepresent Kenya mimi nasikia niko sawa. I'm excited to make team. Najua it is hard but mahali nimefika nashukuru Mungu. Nimetrain na najua nitamake.
We are going there also purposely to bring more medals, gold. So I personally as a 400 meter runner, I'm going to try my best to the maximum.
Niko ready because tumepatiwa international coaches ambao wanaelewa zaidi about race walking, zile skills za race walking technicals, tumefunzwa tuko sawa.
For athletes is really excellent. I've interacted with them. I've attended several of their training programs here, and I'm confident that this team is better than even the one we won last year during the World Under 20.